I'm Jonathan Hobbs, and thank you for shortlisting North Park Veterinary Group and our project monitoring antibiotic use and ending the blanket treatment of neonates on sheep farms in Devon. In autumn 2017, new research outlined antibiotic usage on sheep farms across the UK, and I was interested to see how we stood up as a practice. Within our Flock Health Club, I found our usage to be very similar to that published, and whilst low, there was a relatively wide range between the farms within the group. And this prompted good discussion as to why this may be, and ultimately led to some farms changing their farming practices and seeing a reduction in their use of antibiotics. In spring 2018, I also led a major drive within our practice to reduce the usage of spectinomycin, which until this point had been widely used prophylactically to prevent E. coli septicemia in lambs. This involved heavily re-educating farmers and required them to make significant changes to their farming practices. As a result, we sold 14% less spectinomycin in 2018 compared to 2017, and in 2019 total sales fell by 54%, further from the levels sold in 2018. There was no significant change in sheep numbers, and there was no reports of increased lamb losses, and many farmers actually anecdotally reported improved lamb performance. This further reduction in year 2 was particularly pleasing and reflected the continued discussion we're having with our farmers. We also found that using farmers that had seen a reduction in the use in year 1 without any significant problems, lamb losses and so on, as ambassadors greatly helped us achieve this change. This reduction would also not have been possible without the fantastic support of the entire team at North Park Veterinary Group, including all the receptionists and nurses who are often the first point of contact between ourselves as vets and the clients. The work to safeguard antibiotics within the veterinary sector is not over. Our work here barely represents the tip of the iceberg, and the discussion regarding the appropriate use of antibiotics will continue across all sectors.